In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K621 TKL Keyboard. The Redragon K621 is an advanced mechanical keyboard that features a compact Tenkeyless design with 87 keys, optimized for both gaming and productivity. It offers a versatile 3-mode wireless connection, supporting USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices, including both Windows and macOS systems. The keyboard incorporates a stylish RGB backlight with up to 20 preset vibrant modes and adjustable brightness, enhancing the gaming experience. User-friendly features include customizable macro keys and dedicated media controls, promoting efficient workflow and gaming performance. The K621 is compatible with powerful software to modify backlight modes, key reassignment, and macro recording, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a high-performance keyboard. The package includes the keyboard, a USB cable, and a user manual, but users should ensure compatibility with local power standards when used internationally. Number 2. DrunkDeer A75 Pro. The DrunkDeer A75 Pro is a high-performance wired mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring innovative magnetic switches that allow for hot swapping and adjustable actuation distances ranging from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm. This keyboard is equipped with customizable RGB backlighting, offering 18 different light effects and 10 brightness levels, enhancing the gaming experience. It includes advanced features such as the RT Plus Last Win mode, which prioritizes the last key pressed for seamless movement in fast-paced games, and a dual trigger mode that allows keys to perform 2 distinct actions based on press and release. The A75 Pro also boasts durable PBT plastic keycaps, a patented shock-absorbing structure for comfortable key strikes, and compatibility with both Mac and Windows systems. With a polling rate of 1000 Hz and customizable trigger points, this keyboard is tailored for gamers seeking precision and efficiency in their gameplay. Number 3. Akko MONSGEEK M3 Keyboard. The Akko MONSGEEK M3 Keyboard DIY Kit is a Tenkeyless (TKL) mechanical keyboard designed for customization and performance, featuring 87 keys in a compact layout that maximizes desk space. With a hot swappable design, users can easily change switches, while the south-facing PCB ensures compatibility with cherry profile keycaps. The keyboard boasts customizable RGB lighting with approximately 18 preset modes and over 16.8 million color options, allowing for a personalized aesthetic. Built with an aluminum CNC case and equipped with N-key rollover technology, the M3 ensures all keystrokes are registered simultaneously without ghosting. It supports advanced configurations through VIR and QMK, making it suitable for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Additional features include transparent white stabilizers, a PET insulation layer for circuit protection, and included accessories for further customization. The keyboard is designed for gamers and typists alike, offering a blend of ergonomic style and functionality. Number 4. ZIFRIEND ZA646 Keyboard. The ZIFRIEND ZA646 mechanical keyboard is a compact 63-key gaming keyboard designed for both desktop and laptop use, featuring a wired USB 2.0 Type-C connection. It is equipped with hot swappable mechanical switches available in blue, clicky, and red, linear options, allowing users to customize their typing experience. The keyboard boasts a vibrant RGB backlight with 10 color options and an ergonomic design that minimizes wrist strain during extended use. Constructed with durable ABS plastic keycaps, it promises excellent wear resistance and longevity, with a lifespan of up to 20 million keystrokes. The ZA646 supports multiple operating systems, including various versions of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and is designed for easy plug-and-play functionality without the need for drivers. Its sleek dimensions of 290 by 100 by 40 mm and a 1.5 m cable length enhance its usability, making it an ideal choice for gamers and professionals alike. Number 5. Attack Shark K86. The Attack Shark K86 wireless RGB tri-mode hot swap keyboard is a high-performance, ergonomic keyboard designed for versatility and customization. With a compact 75% layout featuring 87 keys, it utilizes a mechanical operation style with factory lubricated linear switches and a silencing gasket structure for a quieter experience. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, allowing users to connect via USB, Bluetooth, or 2.4G wireless, and is compatible with desktops, laptops, and tablets. It features dynamic multicolor backlighting, a TFT screen for visual feedback, and a metal knob for enhanced functionality. Users can customize key attributes, FN key combinations, and screen animations through its driver software, while the keyboard's sturdy build, weighing approximately 785 g, ensures durability. With a working current of less than or equal to 200 mA and a voltage of 5W plus or minus 2.5W, this keyboard is designed to deliver both performance and style for gamers and professionals alike.